Good morning, children. How are you? See, now we are discussing the chapter Where Does the Moon Go? In that story, we have discussed about a boy, Chotu, who was asking a question to his mother, Where does the moon go? Daytime. And one night, when he was sleeping on the roof, the moon came near to him. The moon took him around the world and he clarified the boy's doubt. Now the boy was very happy that day onwards. And regarding this chapter, children, already we have completed few exercises. Today I have to explain you about one more topic, Nana, related to the chapter grammar part, simple past and past continuous. Simple past and past continuous. If you see, children, in our last session I have explained you about the present simple present and present continuous. Today I will explain past, simple past and past continuous. First we will take, children, simple past. What do you mean by the simple past? The work which was recently completed just before the time of the speaking. Just now I am teaching you, just before to teach you, I have completed my breakfast. Means I ate my breakfast. I ate my breakfast. See, children, the actions which completed recently, just before the time of the speaking, is denoted by simple past. Okay, no helping verb, nothing is used here, Nana. Only V2 form of the verb we are using. Ate is the V2 form of eat. Only V2 form of the verb we are using. Coming to the past continuous, okay, it means the action which completed recently just before the time of the speaking is denoted by simple past. But what do you mean by the past continuous? And past continuous means, children, the action which has been continued for some time in the past. Suppose yesterday when I saw her, she was going to the temple. Yesterday when I saw her, she was going to the temple. Okay, ante aa action, the work started in the past, continued for some time in the past. Okay, to explain the actions which continued for some time in the past is denoted by past continuous. Is it clear, children? Simple past ante అయిపోయిన పని, past continuous ante past లో కొద్దిసేపటి వరకు కంటిన్యూ అయి ఉన్న పనిని. Is it clear? Now regarding this we have some exercises. First, Nana, in your page number 109 they have given us rewrite the sentences in the simple past tense. మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం, only we have to write V2 form of the verb. First you should identify the verb given in the sentence, then you have to write that V2, the tense into the V2 form, the verb into the V2 form. Let us see the exercise given on page number 109. Children, see your page number 109, Nana. A Roman. They gave rewrite the sentences in simple past. Rewrite the sentences in simple past. Okay, let us see. First one they gave us, where is the mom? Where is the mom? Where is the mom? If you observe this statement, children, Here is the verb. Only verb given here is. We have to write V2 form of is. So we can write here where was the mom. Where was the mom? First you underline the verb given in the sentence, then easily you can write. Coming to the second one, the train goes from the east coast, goes from the east coast to the west coast. So if you observe children here, the given statement goes is the only verb form given to you. So go V2 form went. So we can write Nana, the train went from the east coast to the west coast. Went from the east coast to the west coast. Okay children? West coast. Okay. See, these are the two statements which we have discussed regarding this. Again, one more statement they have given us children. Third one, let us discuss the third one, Nana. See the third one, children. Third one, Alice peeps down the rabbit hole. Peeps down the rabbit hole. If you observe the statement clearly, children, here peeps is the only verb given to you. So in place of peeps, children, you can write Alice peeped. V2 form peeped. Peeped down the rabbit hole. Alice peeped down the rabbit hole. Coming to the fourth one, children. Satya paints a picture of a mountain. Satya paints a picture of a mountain. See children, here paints is the verb form given to you. Here I can write Satya painted a picture of a mountain. Satya painted a picture of a mountain. So in this way, children, we can write the given statements into simple past tense. Okay. Now let us take Nana two more statements given in this Roman. Two more statements let us discuss. Fourth and the fifth one. Fifth and the sixth one. See Nana, fifth one. Stars twinkle and shine everywhere. Twinkle and shine everywhere. Here if you observe children, the given statement, two verb forms has been given to you. What are those two verb forms, children? Twinkle and shine. See Nana, twinkle V2 form, twinkle. Okay, so we can write stars twinkled, and shown everywhere. Okay, coming to the sixth one, children. The boat shoots forward. Shoots forward. See children, here shoots is the verb form. Shoots verb form. V2 form shoot only. Shoot, shot, S-H-O-T, shot. Okay, so I can write here the boat shot forward. The boat shot forward. This is how we can write the given statement into past tense. In our next session, we will discuss few more exercises related to this topic. Have a nice day.